Have you ever thought about why some people easily become wealthy while others stay stuck in financial struggles? Well, you're not alone. In this eye-opening video, we're delving deep into the habits, mindsets, and strategies that separate the wealthy from the financially challenged. Hey there! Welcome back to the Smart Finance Hub, your go-to channel for all things money smart. Today, we've got a video that's going to change the way you think about wealth and financial well-being. We'll explore the key differences in how rich individuals approach money compared to those who are still struggling. From their daily routines to their mindset shifts, we'll unveil the powerful wealth-building principles that anyone can adopt to improve their financial situation. But before we dive in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, give us a thumbs up, and ring the notification bell so you never miss our valuable insights on mastering your finances. Get ready to transform your financial future as we reveal the secrets that can help you break free from the cycle of financial struggle. Let's get started. Number 1. The law of income. The first thing to understand is that rich folks believe in something called the law of income. Basically, they think they'll get paid based on how much value they bring to the table. In simpler terms, if they involve in making something that most people want or need, they expect to be paid well for it. Rich people know that what matters most is what you produce because we live in a world where results matter. On the other hand, poor folks tend to think they should get paid based on how much time they put into something. While working hard is important, simply putting in more time doesn't always mean you'll get better results. Sometimes, poor people get stuck just focusing on the effort they put in rather than what they actually achieve. Number 2. Reading habit. Another thing rich folks often do is read a lot. They believe in the idea that the more you learn, the more you can earn. It's like filling up your brain with knowledge, and it's usually done through reading. For example, Warren Buffett, one of the most successful investors ever, is a big reader. He once said that he reads about 500 pages every day. He thinks of knowledge like a bank account that grows over time. Other rich folks like Mark Cuban, Bill Gates, and Elon Musk are also known for reading regularly. But when it comes to poor people, not so many of them are into self-improvement through reading. They might not spend much time with books, and that can hold them back from making better decisions for their financial future. Number 3. Focus on opportunities. Rich people tend to focus on the opportunities in life, not the obstacles. Let me tell you a story. Once, there was a shoe salesman who tried to sell shoes in a place where nobody wore shoes. It was tough and he gave up quickly, but he met another shoe salesman who saw things differently. When the second guy heard that nobody had shoes, he got excited because he saw a chance to sell to everyone in town. This shows that it's all about how you look at things. Poor people often see problems and give up, but rich folks look for opportunities even in tough situations. Number 4. Association with positive people. The people you spend time with can have a big impact on your success. Rich people understand this and choose to hang out with positive, successful folks. There's a saying that you become like the 5 people you spend the most time with. So if you're around people who talk about success and good things, it's more likely to rub off on you. On the flip side, poor people might not make the effort to be around those who could help them become more successful. They might even stick with negative influences that hold them back. Number 5. Willingness to promote themselves. Rich folks are also not shy about promoting themselves and their skills. They often have something they're really good at, and they're not afraid to show it off. They share their strengths because they know it can help others grow too. But for poor folks, it's a bit different. They might not have something extraordinary they're great at, and sometimes they don't realize how important it is to sell themselves and their skills when they're trying to get ahead. Number 6. Facing challenges head-on. Rich people aren't scared of challenges. In fact, they see challenges as opportunities to grow. When a problem comes their way, they figure out how to overcome it and come out even stronger. Poor folks, on the other hand, often see problems as roadblocks that stop them from getting where they want to go. They might give up when things get tough instead of trying to find solutions. Number 7. Thinking both. Rich people have a both mentality. They believe they can have both things they want, not just one or the other. There's a concept called opportunity cost that rich people understand well. It means that when you choose one thing, you're also choosing not to have something else. Poor people might think they can only have one thing or the other, like spending money on either an ice cream cone or a pack of gum. But rich folks are smart about it. They find ways to have both. For example, instead of buying ice cream and gum, they might buy something they can sell for a profit, which lets them have both and even make some extra money. Number 8. Focus on net worth. Rich people don't just look at how much money they make each hour. They focus on their overall net worth. Net worth means how much money you have after you subtract all your debts. Poor people often talk about their hourly wages, but rich folks know that what matters most is how much they're worth in the end. You could make a lot of money per hour, but if you spend it all and don't save or invest wisely, you'll still end up broke. Rich people understand that having a high net worth opens up more opportunities and can create even more wealth down the line. Number 9. Being dollar smart. Rich people are smart with their money, whether it's a small amount or a large sum. There's a saying that goes, penny smart, dollar stupid, which means some people are careful with small expenses but don't make wise choices when it comes to big money decisions. Rich individuals are good at managing both. They make smart choices with small expenses while investing significant amounts of money in things like education, self-improvement, and opportunities that can help them grow their wealth. Number 10. Networking and volunteering. Lastly, rich people often spend time building connections and helping others. They know the value of having a strong network and being part of a community. They make friends, find potential clients, and open themselves up to new opportunities through networking. They also believe in giving back, and many of them volunteer regularly. This helps them build even more connections and grow both personally and financially. Poor people, unfortunately, don't always see the value in networking and volunteering. They might miss out on new connections and opportunities that could lead to financial success. So there you have it, the 10 key differences between the rich and the poor that can make all the difference in your financial journey. But remember, it's not just about knowing these differences, it's all about taking action. If you found this video enlightening and thought-provoking, please show your support by smashing that like button. It lets us know you're enjoying our content. We love hearing from you, so drop us a comment down below. Share your thoughts, experiences, or any questions you may have about achieving financial success. And if you haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell. That way, you won't miss any of our future videos packed with valuable insights for your financial journey. Thanks for joining us today at the Smart Finance Hub. We'll see you in the next video. Remember, it's never too late to make those changes that can transform your financial life. Stay smart and stay prosperous.